the world's most instantly recognized silver coin, like you've never seen it before. Just released, the world's first Incuse Canadian silver maple leaf coin. Incuse means the coin's design is impressed below the surface instead of rising above the surface as most other coins are struck. There have only been a handful of Incuse coins struck in modern times. In over 200 years, the U.S. Mint has only struck one Incuse design, the Incuse Indian design used on select gold coins in the early 1900s. Now, to mark the 30th anniversary of the iconic Canadian silver maple leaf coin, the Royal Canadian Mint has created a first-ever silver maple masterpiece. The 2018 Brilliant Uncirculated Incuse Silver Maple Leaf. Struck in 1 troy ounce of 99.99% silver, one of the world's purest silver coins. Featuring a first-ever Incuse maple leaf design. Struck in brilliant uncirculated condition. Certified and graded by Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC. A limited number of special first day of production and first day of issue coins are available. Don't miss out on your chance for this first ever 30th anniversary Maple Leaf masterpiece. Call today or visit ModernCoinMart.com/maple.